Hey, Daywan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you want to learn a simple and proven system that can generate income without any products, funnels, websites, or marketing? If you answered yes, then you need to pay close attention to this video because I'm about to reveal the yellow brick formula. Before we get started and dive into the review, I need to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 3 awesome bonuses that are going to propel you to the moon. Bonus number 1. 5 brand new digital marketing strategies for 2024. Elevate your online presence with the latest digital marketing tactics for 2024. Uncover innovative strategies designed to engage audiences, enhance visibility, and drive conversions, keeping you at the forefront of digital success. Bonus number 2. How to build a successful personal brand in 2024. Craft a compelling personal brand in 2024 that positions you as a trusted authority. Learn the art of online optimization, storytelling, and audience connection to build a strong personal brand, opening doors to new opportunities and credibility. Bonus number 3. How to launch a successful startup. Turn your business idea into reality with our startup launch guide. From crafting a business plan to navigating legalities and securing funding, gain practical insights to set your startup on the path to success. Dream big and launch confidently with this invaluable bonus. Now back to the review. The Yellow Brick Formula is a revolutionary online business system that allows you to generate income online with just a few clicks. It involves a simple 3-step process that Sean Donahoe, a successful online entrepreneur, has used to generate over $1.02 million in just 4 months. And the best part is, you don't need any products, funnels, websites, or marketing to make it work. The Yellow Brick Formula works by leveraging a secret loophole in the market of microcaps. Microcaps are small companies that have the potential to explode in value in a short period of time. By using the Yellow Brick Formula, you can identify and invest in these microcaps before they skyrocket and cash out with huge profits. All you need to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Watch the daily video lessons from Sean Donahoe, where he reveals the best microcaps to invest in. Step 2. Copy and paste the exact trades that Sean Donahoe makes, using his proprietary software and tools. Step 3. Sit back and watch your account grow as the microcaps soar in value. The Yellow Brick Formula has many benefits that make it the ultimate online business system. Here are some of them. Benefit 1. You can start with as little as $100 and scale up to thousands of dollars per day. Benefit 2. You don't need any prior experience or skills to succeed. Sean Donahoe will teach you everything you need to know. Benefit 3. You don't need to spend hours in front of your computer. You can make money in as little as 15 minutes per day. Benefit 4. You don't need to worry about competition, saturation, or regulations. The market of microcaps is huge and untapped. Benefit 5. You don't need to risk your hard-earned money. Sean Donahoe will show you how to protect your capital and minimize your losses. If you're ready to take advantage of this amazing opportunity and start making money online with the Yellow Brick Formula, then you need to act fast. This system is only available for a limited time, and spots are filling up quickly. Don't miss this chance to join the Yellow Brick Formula and follow the path to success. Click the button below and get instant access to the Yellow Brick Formula today.